This is the HTC Rezound loudspeaker replacement guide. The first step will be to remove the back battery cover, the battery, and the SIM card. We will now need to remove the 6 Torx T5 screws as shown in the video. All the housing screws removed, we can now use the safe open pry tool or small flathead screwdriver to release the clips holding the back housing in place. These clips can be very stubborn. Just take your time and work your way around all 4 edges. Take note that the volume button and power button will likely fall out. Just set these to the side until reassembly. Also be aware that some of these small silicone covers can sometimes fall out. With the back housing removed, we now have access to the loudspeaker. Use a pry tool to gently pry it out of the back housing. It will be held in place with a small bit of adhesive around the outside edges. To replace the speaker, simply press the new speaker into the back housing. It should pop right into place.